For this week, you're going to start writing codes, and for that, we need to use Visual Studio, and also we need to create a project. However, I do not want you to start from zero. I want you to download the project that I have created for you. I'm going to download, and then I'm going to unzip the project, and then finally I'm going to open the solution file. So double click, and it should open with Visual Studio 2019. If you look at the Solution Explorer, you're going to see the folders that are very common for MVC. You have controllers, I have some DAL classes that I already wrote for you, some modules, some utils, and right here in the bottom we have the app settings.json. So I'm going to double click this, and inside this file there's a very important setting, which is the connection string. So this connection string has a lot of information, and these are the information that comes straight from the script that you ran to create the database. So this information is used for your project, for your code to connect to that database. So the password is ABC123, the user ID is this one, the database is this one, and what we are interested now is the IP address or the name of the server you're connecting to. In my case, in my network, the server that I'm connecting to is this one right here. Yours will be different than mine. So how do you find out which one is your server? Very simple. We're going to open the SSMS. And now on the server name, you're going to use the drop-down menu to search for your server. You can also browse for more, either on your local server or your network. Most likely yours is going to be on this local server. And then you pick the server that you're going to connect to. And the username is what we had from the SQL script that you ran. The login is prog123a_user, and the password is abc123. I'm going to click on remember password, and then I'm going to click on connect. So if the connection was successful, that means that name of that server that you used is valid. And then copy this whole server name and then bring it to your Visual Studio and then paste it right here. You have to notice that if something is wrong here, it's not going to connect, it's not going to work. If you forget to put the equal sign here, this is not going to work. If you forget anything else here, it's not going to work. So make sure you pay attention that there's semicolons right here, there's equal sign and everything else. Once I have this properly here, I'm going to run this whole project. To run, I'm going to debug and then start without debugging, or Ctrl F5. And here it is. If you get this page, that means your database is set up correctly and there is no exception.